Sairam children, today we are going to do essay 2 revision. This is our revision video, the first revision video. This will help you to do your exam properly. So all of you please listen carefully. After watching this, write down all the questions and answers and learn. Same time, you have to go through your textbook and notebook. Only some questions come from this revision and some from notebook and textbook. Okay children, are you all ready? Now let us start. First is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 5 questions from fill in the blanks will come in your exam. Now first one is plants and animals need dash to live. Plants and animals need dash to live. Options are, there are 4 options. A. Home. B. Vehicle. C. Water. D. Cloth. Plants and animals need dash to live. What they want to live? Is it home? Is it vehicle? Is it water? Is it cloth? You have to choose the correct answer from this 4 and click. Now let us see. They need, yes, water. So click there and you will get the answer. The answer is water. The answer is C, water. Now let us go for the next one. We go to sleep dash. We go to sleep dash. What time we go to sleep? In the afternoon. Option A, in the afternoon. Option B, in the morning. Option C, at night. And option D, in the evening. What time we go to sleep? Tell me children. Which is the correct answer? Yes. It is, we go to sleep at night. We go to sleep at night. So the correct answer is option C, at night. Option C, at night. Now we will go to the next one. Number 3, question number 3. A clock has dash hands. How many hands a clock had? Yes, 2. How? The hour hand and the minutes hand. So the correct answer is 2. Options are, again teacher is going to read the options. A, 2, B, 5, C, 4 and D, 6. The correct option is A, 2. Click there, 2. A clock has 2 hands. Now let us see. Answer is A, 2. Now the next one is choose the right answer. Choose the right answer. Which planet do we live on? Options are A, Earth. B, Moon. C, Sun. D, Mars. We live on Moon? No. Sun? That also not there. Then, yes, correct option is Earth. We live on Earth. So the right answer is option A, Earth. Now let us see. Answer A, Earth. Now next one. Which is the hottest day of the time of the day. Which is the hottest time of the day? Is it morning, evening, noon, or night? Which one? Morning? No? Yes, it is noon. Hottest time of the day is noon. The answer is noon. C. Noon. Answer C. Noon. Okay. Now the next one. How many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year? We learned this in the lesson time. How many months are there in a year? There are options. I will read the options first. A. 12. B. 20. C. 2. D. 13. We learned that there are 12 months in a year. So the correct answer is A. 12. A. 12. Click there. How many months are there in a year? Answer is 12. Answer is A. 12. Now next one. You have to choose the true or false. You have to say true or false. The first one is the earth is covered with land, water and air. The earth is covered with land, water and air. Is this statement is correct? Is earth is covered with land, water and air? Yes, we learned that the earth is covered with land, water and air in lesson number 11, our earth. Okay, so this statement is true. So the earth is covered with land, water and air. It is true. Let us see. Yes, answer A, true. Now we will go to the next one. We have breakfast in the evening. We have breakfast in the evening. Is it correct? We have breakfast in the evening? No? Then what is correct? We have breakfast in the morning. We have breakfast in the morning. So this statement is not correct. So it is false. B, false. So the answer is B, false. Let us see. Yes, answer B, false. Now we will go for the next one. Question number 9. December is the last month of the year. December is the last month of the year. True or false? December is the last month of the year. How many months are there in the year? There are 12 months in the year. And which is the first month? January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes. So the statement is true. This statement is true. December is the last month of the year. It is correct. It is true. Okay, children. Now let us see the answer. Yes, answer A, true. Now the next one. Teacher is going to show you some pictures from the textbook. Please children, all of you, see the textbook pictures and try to identify. From the textbook only teacher is going to give 5 pictures. And few pictures here I am showing. Some more pictures I am going to take from textbook. So read and see the textbook thoroughly. Okay children. Now let us see this picture. What is this? Options are A, hill, B, mountain, C, plain, D, desert. A high land is called mountain and hill, and plain a large area of flat land, and desert there is no water and is fully covered with sand. So Please watch this picture carefully and tell me what is this. This is a large area of flat land and crops grow well in this place. What is this? It is plain. So this is the picture of plain. So the answer is plain. Now let us see answer C, plain. Answer C, plain. Okay children, see this picture carefully and click the right answer. Right answer is plain. Now the next picture is a girl and her father is going and he is holding an umbrella and see the bright sun. So options are A winter, B monsoon, C summer, D spring. Is this monsoon? This is monsoon season? No. Then winter season. They are wearing sweater and all. Monsoon umbrella is there but there is no raincoat. And see bright sun you can see. So which season is this? Yes, this season is summer. Summer season. So the right answer is summer. This is summer season and just see hot sun you can see sun. Okay. Now let us see the answer. Yes, C summer. C summer. The right answer is summer. Now next one. Fill in the missing letters. This is a new question. So be careful. All of you already learned all the words from the textbook. End of every time after the lesson, teacher told you, teacher given all the hard words and teacher told you to learn that hard words because now it will help you to do this question. Fill in the missing letters. Some letters are missing from this word and in the bracket teacher is given some clues. Now let us read this. M dash U dash T dash I N. Do you know which word is this? There is a clue. A very high land. What is a very high land? A very high land is, yes, mountain. Do you know the spelling of mountain? Now let us see that one by one. M. After M, O. Then U. Then MOUNTAIN. Mountain. Let us write that. O. Then MOUN. T is given. T, after T, A will come. IN. So mountain. MOUNTAIN. So where is that ONA? Where is that ONA? Here the option B is ONA. So the right answer is MOUNTAIN. Mountain. So let us see it is correct or not. Yes, ONA. Mountain. Correct answer from this is ONA. Now let us do the next one. Question number 13. A dash, T dash, R dash, O dash, N. Afternoon. We have lunch at this time. What time we have lunch? Lunch in the afternoon. In the afternoon. So this word is afternoon. Do you know the spelling of afternoon? Then let us see that. A. Then F will come. T is given. Then E will come. Then R. AFTER. Then NOON. Afternoon. So which are A is given? T, F is not there. T is given. E is not there. R is given. N is not there. O is given. One more O is not there. So what are these? FENO. FENO. F-E-N-O. Where is F-E-N-O? Here, the option D is F-E-N-O. Afternoon. Afternoon spelling is like this. Then when you are doing the exam, you write and see, then click the right answer. Okay? Write in a rough paper and see which are the spellings missing. Then click the right answer. So the answer here is F-E-N-O. Let us see that. F-E-N-O. Afternoon. Now next one is find the odd one. Four options are there. From there, one is not in this group. You have to find out which is that not in the group. Then click that only. Okay, children. Now let us read plain, hill, sky, mountain. Plain, hill, sky, mountain. Plain, hill, mountain and are in one group. And which is not there in group? Sky. Why? Plain, hill, mountain are kinds of lands. And sky is not a land. So, here the odd one is sky. The odd one is sky. So, let us see this answer is correct or not. Yes. See, sky. Find the odd one is here the sky. Now, next one. Question number 15. Night, school, dinner, sleep. Night, school, dinner, sleep. So what all things you do at night time? You will go to school, you will sleep, you will have your dinner. Yes. So night, dinner and sleep are in a group, not school. So you have to click your school. School is the odd one. So night, school, dinner and sleep, school is the odd one. Okay. Now, let us see this correct or not. Yes, B, school. B, school. Okay, children. Now, next question. Identify the groups in which the following belongs to. I am giving 4 things and tell me which group they belongs to. Okay. Let us read this. Plain, mountain, hill, desert. Now, options are A, land, B, water, C, air and D, sky. 4 options: land, water, air, sky. Is this from the group water? These are water bodies. These are air. These are sky? No. Then these are different kinds of lands. So, this will come under land. So, the right answer is A, land. Right answer is A, land. Now, let us see. Yes. Answer is A, land. Now, the next one. Oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds. Oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds. Options are sky. They are coming under group sky. B, water resource, C, desert and D, land. We get water from oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. So, what is the correct answer here? Is it sky? It is coming under group sky? No. Desert? No. Land? No. So, the right answer is B, water resources. These are from these water bodies, water resources, we get water. So, these oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds coming under water resources. Okay, children? Now, let us see the correct answer. Yes, B, water resources. Now, the next one, answer the following. Teacher is giving one question and 4 options for that questions. You have to find out the right answer from this option. Now, what is the earth covered with? What is the earth covered with? Options: A, the earth is covered with sand, rock and plastic. The earth is covered with land, water and air. The earth is covered with land, air and sky. And the 4th option, D, The earth is covered with forest, soil and water. You all learned this in lesson number 11, our earth. Now tell me the correct answer. It is covered with sand, rock and plastic. It is covered with land, air and sky. It is covered with forest, soil and water. And one more is, it is covered with land, water and air. So which is the correct one? Do you know the answer? For this you have to learn all the question answers from the notebook. Okay children? Learn question answers of lesson number 11, 12, 13 from the notebook. It is already given. So let us see the right answer. The earth is covered with land, water and air. So option B, land, water and air. The correct answer is the earth is covered with land, water and air. Now let us see the answer. Yes, answer B, the earth is covered with land, water and air. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. What is a season? What is a season? You learned about weather, season in lesson number 13. The seasons. Okay. The weather. What is weather? A weather can change at any time. But a season is a weather for a long time. If the same weather for a long time, it is called a season. So let us read the options. When we have same weather for a short time, read the answers properly. When we have same weather for a short time, we call it a season. And when we have same weather for a year, we call it a season. Number C, when we have same weather for a long time, we call it a season. And D, when we have same climate for a short time, we call it a season. 4 options for different answers are given. You have to choose the right answer. For that, you have to read the answers properly. Okay. There is some minor differences in the answers. So, read the answers properly and click the right answer. So, in the notebook, and teacher is given the right answer. What is the right answer? When we have same weather for a long time, we call it a season. So, option C is the right answer. When we have same weather for a long time, we call it a season. Now, let us see this answer is correct. Yes, C. When we have same weather for a long time, we call it a season. Okay, children. Now, first revision we have finished. I will come with one more revision video. Then you have to listen this video, all the things carefully and write down all the questions and write the correct answer and learn. Okay, children. Now, let us meet again next week. Bye. See you.